Welcome to Luca is a Billionaire, where the only thing I invest in is your answers.
In this video, I will show you how to make Marvel Mii characters. We'll begin by navigating to the Mii Maker on your Nintendo console. First, select an empty Mii slot to start fresh. Then, choose a head shape that best suits your chosen Marvel hero, perhaps a rounder one for Captain America or a more angular one for Iron Man. Pick a skin tone that closely matches their appearance, and then we'll move on to the facial features. Next, let's dive into the details of their face. Eyebrows are crucial for expressing emotion. Consider a strong, defined brow for Wolverine or a softer one for Black Widow. For eyes, select a shape and color that truly captures their essence, like bright blue for Captain America or green for the Hulk. Finally, choose a hairstyle that is instantly recognizable, such as Thor's long blonde hair or Spider-Man's short, neat cut. To play novelist effectively, constant awareness is vital. Keep an eye on the hunter's location and your teammate's health. Use metaphor to interrupt a hunter's chase, giving your teammate precious seconds to escape or even to prevent a chairing. Positioning yourself strategically near active ciphers or common kiting routes allows for quick, impactful assists. Remember, communication with your team can elevate your metaphor plays, turning a potential loss into a successful rescue or escape. To complete your Marvel Mii, let's refine their overall appearance. Adjust their height and weight to reflect their build, perhaps a taller, more muscular Mii for Captain America or a shorter, stockier one for Rocket Raccoon. Select a favorite color for their Mii background that complements their costume. Finally, choose a pose that captures their heroic spirit, like a powerful stance or a ready-for-action look. You've now created your very own Marvel Mii.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.